In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy a voice ID in ElevenLabs. We're going to keep this quick and clear so you can grab the exact identifier you need for your projects. A voice ID is a unique code that tells ElevenLabs exactly which voice you want to use. Whether you're organizing assets, collaborating with a team, or plugging the voice into an integration or script, it's not a password or an API key, but it is useful to keep it handy and stored somewhere safe for consistency. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left side of the screen for the toolbar. If your window is narrow, that toolbar might be collapsed. Just expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Click on the section called Voices. This page is your voice library, where you can browse the voices available to your account, listen to previews, and see important details like the name and style of each voice. Find the voice you want the ID for. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name or category. When you locate your desired voice, look for the three-dot menu to the right of the voice entry. It may appear as a small vertical ellipsis icon. Click that menu to reveal more options, then select Copy Voice ID. The moment you click it, the unique identifier is copied to your clipboard. To confirm it worked, paste into a safe note or document. You'll see a short string of letters and numbers. That's your voice ID. Keep it available for any place that asks specifically for a voice ID, such as configuration fields, automation tools, or scripts that reference a particular voice. Remember, while a voice ID isn't sensitive like an API key, it's still best practice not to post it publicly or share it with people you don't trust. If you don't see the three-dot menu, try widening your browser window or hovering over the voice entry to reveal hidden controls. A quick page refresh can also help if the interface didn't load fully. And if a specific voice isn't showing the option, double-check that it's accessible to your account and not restricted by permissions. That's all you need to do. Go to Voices, open the three-dot menu next to the voice you want, and click Copy Voice ID. Paste it somewhere safe, and you're done. Now you have the exact identifier ready whenever you need to reference that voice in your workflow.